Hi guys, how you doing? This is Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm at Kitsilano Showboat Pool. Take a look at this. It's a Wednesday afternoon, and nobody's at work today. Everybody's at the pool or the beach. And your boy Rich, that's where we're at. Where you at? Crazy day in the markets today. Pays had a big day today. ZYNE had a big day today. Big days from lots of companies today. A lot of sneak attacks. Bills, after having huge run up over 200% over the last few weeks, crashed hard today, back down to $2. Trading very, 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 very odd. A lot of red today. Aurora was down, Afria was down, Canopy was down. A lot of red today. Barely finished red in Canada, but did finish red in America today. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We're bringing the winners. We bring them to you first. I told you, if I win and you win, we all win. It's true. All these people, they got the day off today. They're winning. Oh, they're winning. See all the boats in the water. Everybody just took the day off today. Everybody's just chilling. What are you doing today? We've only got 3 weeks left in August until we hit September. Are you positioned for the resurrection? Because it's coming. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, predicting the resurrection is near in the cannabis sector. Stay tuned. We're hunting bottoms, we're hunting winners, and we're finding them every single day. Every single day. Chiron, KHRN, they had a nice day. Dixie, they had a nice day. I talked about Halo Labs, talked to their CEO. They look like they could become a giant. Let's keep our eyes on the prize. If you guys see anything that you guys like, let me know. I'll look into it. Please share your videos, share your ideas, share your picks with your boy Rich. And if you see any news of a company that has some big news, share the links. Join our community. Go to our website, richtvlive.com. Subscribe. Get our push alerts when we go live. Have a nice day, guys. This is your boy Rich. Enjoy this beautiful day. This is beautiful British Columbia. And I'm out. Peace. Oh yeah, GW Pharma had a nice day today. Who else? Some good days today. Sneak attacks, but overall, especially in the US, we were red. So a lot of buying opportunities out there. Let me know what you guys like. I told you guys what I like. Let me know what you guys like.